your girl Charisse today, coming to you with a brand new video. I just filmed this look right here. This sparkly pink shimmery look using the new Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, which is so pretty. It was a birthday present for one of my friends, and I was just so in love, so happy. But the palette looks good. But let's just get into this video, and until next time, see you guys again, and just like and subscribe below. Okay guys, starting out with a little Shape Tape from Tarte just to prime my eyelids. Alright, we're just gonna blend a light brown color in our crease just to start out as a transition color. I'm just deepening that little light brown color. I'm using a brown from the Naked Heat palette. I'll put all the names of the shades I used from it in the bottom. I don't know the name right now. We're just working it into the crease, blending, of course. Using a brush that I got from Burlington from like a little set. I want to give a cut crease effect, so I'm going to add some more concealer on top just to cut out my crease more. Want a nice sharp crease, cut out crease look right now. Using an E.L.F brush. Then I'm going to use this Ulta glitter primer just to help the Rihanna eyeshadow stick better to my eye. I feel like you definitely should use a glitter primer because there's a lot of fallout with that eyeshadow palette. And there's a whole bunch of other glitter primers from other brands, but I just got them from Ulta because it was cheaper than the other ones. I know Too Faced, I think, makes one too. And I'm going into that Rihanna Galaxy palette, and I'm going to that pink shimmery shade in the palette. And I'm just packing it on. As you can see, all the fallout happening, getting everywhere. But it's so sparkly, like, it's so pretty. I couldn't help it. I love that palette. I'm getting glitter in my eye. Stressful. I'm just cleaning up my under eye area just so I can put some concealer on, sharpen the crease a little bit more, blending in, defining the crease more now with the brush. Just trying to make everything set perfect before I have to put concealer on. Using a E.L.F cream gel eyeliner, which I have a different eyeliner that I like way better, but I couldn't find it at the time, so I was just using this one. This one was okay, but I have a way better gel eyeliner I got out of the Ipsy bag that I like to use. But hey, you can only use what you got at the time, making it work. Cleaning up the edges of that eyeliner. Going in more, I took a little bit off the tail, but that's fixable. I'm just adding that L'Oreal gel eyeliner just on top to like intensify it because it wasn't dark enough for me. Like I said, I have a way better eyeliner from a different brand that I like to use, but I couldn't find it, so I did my under eye. I'm cleaning up again. Okay, priming the face finally. going back in, using that brown color, and just smudging out that black eyeliner. Now I'm adding my foundation. I'm using the Fenty foundation also. Just putting some dots all over my face, and then doing some drops from the custom NYX custom drops, just adding that in. Sorry, I'm kind of stuttering, going a little offbeat because the video's kind of going a little fast. I'm trying to keep up with it right now. Bear with me. I'm getting better with voiceover slowly. I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel. I'm just doing some crazy contour face right now. Trying to have my face a little bit chiseled. And oh my gosh, I love that Real Techniques little small blending brush. Not blending brush, blending sponge. It really just gets on up in there in the small crevices. I'm just blending. Using that liquid highlighter from BECCA. Getting that glow though. Now I'm just setting the face with my Laura Mercier powder. Tried and true. Everyone uses it. Trying to get knots out my hair. Struggling. Struggle. Going back into that brown shade and just popping it underneath where you just put the powder just to blend out more and just a little more. Finally, gonna tame the brows. I use Benefit Brow pencil, and I love it. The product is like really, it blends out nice. Like you put it on, and then you just like use your spoolie and spoolie it out, and it just comes out so nice and just so natural. My mom always asks me to do her eyebrows using it. Do my eyebrows for me. Just taking a little concealer and just trying to clean up under the brows. I use a concealer that's really my shade. It's Shape Tape again, but it's in deep just to help carve out the eyebrows. It's more my skin tone. I don't like when people use like the full-blown light concealer and just like stare at my eyebrows. I'm just trying to have them look just nice and clean, crisp, and like I had those eyebrows. Blending out more of that powder, let it sit with a damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Going in with my Fit Me powder in dark, I want to say, or deep. I'll write it down. I'm just going to contour the face with that. It's a nice matte powder just to put on your face and contour. Get that chin, no gobble neck today. Get our nose with it. I'm using this brush from Amazon. I'll put the link down. They're like $1 something, maybe $2, and it's supposed to be comparable to the MAC 217 brush, and I love it. Like I keep saying, when I order more, just like order on bulk, so just have extra for every little thing. And it's time to highlight with my ultimate favorite highlight, which is the Katie X Desi line from Dose of Colors in Mirame. It is so pretty, so nice. It just sits on your face nice. And then I want to be a little extra glowy. I'm using the Fenty Trophy Wife. That's like a super gold, and it kind of has a little bit of fallout. Because in the video, I'm kind of extra glittery all over, not in just like one area. And my fave eyelashes that I have on. You can still purchase those eyelashes. I looked on Walgreens.com and they still have them in stock. They're the Nicole Guerriero. They came out for the Blogger series like a year ago, but they still have more. I think she's coming out with extra ones from the line too. I haven't seen them in store, but I know I saw it online. Using a little lip pencil, an NYX lip pencil. They're the new, they were new. They're probably not new no more. They're a lingerie liquid not liquid, lingerie lip liners. And we're tongue-tied. I think that's in brown or in nutmeg. I'll look again. Like I said, everything's gonna be at the bottom. I promise. I'm gonna sit here and type out everything right now. Because I just don't know what lip gloss I just put on either. Like I said, in the bottom bar, people. I think I did 2 liquid lipsticks. I didn't like the first one, how it came out. I think I went in with a different color. Which I did. Yep. And I know that's the Maybelline liquid liner. And Barely There. Just contouring a little more with that pencil. Just add a little more, one little more of a pout. Bring that thing up. And just make kissy faces at the camera.